Okay, so I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about alopecia, balding, and how to grow out those edges. This is what I used. I came up with this formula for myself, tried it, worked, so I'm going to share it with you all. You can also get this on my website, or you can make it yourself, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need. So with the research that I did, I came up, this is just a few of the oils that goes into this hair serum. So the first one, tried and true, I don't hear enough people talking about this. Pumpkin seed oil, okay? It's good. It's great for it has zinc, it has omega-9, rich in nutrients, vitamins, great for alopecia, keeps hair moisturized, and most of the time when you have alopecia, it's because you're zinc deficient, okay? So you can even make a hair rinse with pumpkin seed, okay? And then you can add green tea to it. It also works as a DHT blocker, and it's great in combination with green tea, okay? So I'm just going to add this. Pumpkin seed oil is going in first. And in each one of these is 34 grams except for the rosemary essential oil. So the next one we're going to be talking about is going to be Moringa seed oil. Now, keyword seed oil. That means bin oil. You don't want the leaves, you want the seed, because this is where most of the nutrients for your hair lies, okay? It's loaded with vitamin A, B, C, E. It has iron, and it also has zinc in it. Now, it's rich in chlorophyll. It's responsible for, it's the food for your hair, the nourishment for your hair. So we're going to go ahead and add bin oil, moringa seed oil. The other name for it is bin oil. This is what you want. And when you're buying from somebody, don't be afraid to ask them, what did you use? Is it the leaves, the root, or the seed? So the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to add in the neem oil. Neem oil is tried and true. It has antiseptic properties. It helps hair grow by healing inflamed hair follicles, rich in antioxidants, helps with hair dryness, and gives hair a natural gloss. So we're going to add that. Great for hair growth and cleansing the scalp as well. Okay. Now, the next thing that we are going to add is horsetail. Now, horsetail is another amazing oil, which is tried and true. And it also is rich in collagen. So we're going to add in horsetail. And the benefits to this is it has silica, which improves the hair growth. It strengthens the hair follicles. It's also good for nails and bones, and it has selenium in it, which helps to regulate hair growth, okay? The next thing we're going to add in is the black castor oil, okay? And we all know that black castor oil is like a staple in most households, okay? Benefits are endless. This is the go-to for growing out your hair. Great for the scalp, great for hair growth, great for dryness, gives your hair a beautiful luster. Okay, the next thing that we are going to add is nettle, stinging nettle. Okay, so the benefits of stinging nettle is it is a DHT inhibitor. It's great for male and female pattern baldness. It enhances circulation. It's great for oxygen for the scalp. It promotes beautiful hair growth, and it's loaded with collagen, protein, and wonderful benefits for the scalp. Okay. And the next thing I am going to add is onion oil. Now this I did myself, and it is strong. Okay. So yeah, but it's worth it, y'all. It's worth it. All you got to do to cover up that smell is add in some tea tree. You can add in lavender, any type of essential oil to make it smell good. But I would recommend using tea tree because I can smell it from here right now. Okay, and the last thing that I am going to add in is rosemary. Now on the rosemary, it's an essential oil, so I only used 14 grams. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this up. And usually I add in tea tree when I sell it and lavender to mask the smell, but this is for me, to mask the smell of the onion. So we're just going to pour this in. This is a 16-ounce glass jar. My own little personal stash. Then I'm going to give it a little shake. And there it is. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.